Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So we will continue our manual testing training. So if you miss the video, you can till now I have uploaded 10 training video for manual testing with real-time example. So please watch my previous video as well. So in the last of this video, I will share with you where you will get all the playlist and all. Okay. So in this session, we will discuss what is a static testing. Okay, so basically, when you work in the real time, we have to do many types of the testing. Okay, so if you know the term, what type of the testing you have to do as per the client requirement, right? So it is easy to do that, right? So what is a static testing? It is a type of testing in which one will perform testing on the application or its release factor without performing any action. It's like a just look and feel. So I can say, if you are using e-commerce application, right? We are using e-commerce application. So you guys already doing same thing daily, right? So feel and look, you can find something is like some bugs are there, so you can find it. Or I can say if you are an experienced tester, like you have worked with one domain from long time, right? Then this type of the things we are able to observe and we can find the issue in our application. So let's we can define the another way. A static testing is a software testing technique which is used to check defect defect in a software application without executing the code. Okay, a static testing is done to avoid error at the earliest stage of development. See, what do you meaning of earlier stage? I can say during we follow the agile process, right? After development, we are getting some piece of the software to test, right? In the earlier stage, we can find if by look and feel the things, right? So it is easier to identify the error and solve the error. Okay. So as an example, like GUI testing. UI testing we are doing, right? If you are seeing the front end part like UI part, right? And document testing or code review. So here one word is there, code review. So this is like a, I can say what happened. I can give you an example. You are a test engineer, automation test engineer, or you are doing anything like if you are any work if you will do, right? So someone can review your code or your team member can review your code, right? So sometime what will happen, we are getting some review comment. So that time also, if I'm I'm going to tell as a development level. So developer had developed some code and it will go for the review and they are finding some thing is some problem or they are finding some error while reviewing that, right? So they can give you the review comment and all, they can fix it that time only. Okay. So this will also come in a static testing. Okay. So why a static testing required? So early defect detection and correction. Okay. In the earlier stage, we can detect or we can correct our error. Reduced development time scales. Okay, definitely it will reduce. Reduced testing cost and time. So definitely if you will find something in the earlier stage, we are able to fix quickly so it will not impact in the future and we cannot lose as a business perspective as well. For improvement of development productivity. To get fewer defect at the I think here we have written at the earlier stage of testing. So this is we have to correct it. So okay, so this is why we do a static testing. So types of the static testing. So we have a type. So there are two types of the static testing. So manual examination. So manually we are just finding this all the things include like manual examination include analysis of the code done manually and also known as review. So while doing the review, we can find this. Or some of the tools are there, like I can say automation tools. Many automation tools are there nowadays in the market. Many AI tools are coming, so they will take the screenshot and they can find the defect. right? So many codeless automation tools are there in the market right now. So while seeing the screenshot, they are comparing actual with expected. Okay. So this is automated analysis using the tools, right? So automated analysis are the basically static analysis which is done using the tools or types of the testing. So do one thing, just type AI testing tools. So you will get many tools. You can explore there also. Some of the company they are started to use that, but yeah, so many of the complication scenario are there. They're not able to detect 100% bug. Sorry, so we follow the normal process as well. Okay. Okay. So technique. So a static testing technique, informal review, right? Like what the technique we are using for the static testing. Walkthroughs, technical review, inspection, static analysis, data flow, and control flow. So these are the technique. By doing this technique, we do the static testing. Okay. Another types of the testing. What is a stability testing? Name itself, a stability. Okay. A stability means how your application is stable. Okay. So some of the you are using some website and all, right? So sometime you can see your application is down. It's not working properly. Not now, but if you will go other government website, any government website, I'm not saying like now. I could see many improvements are there in the government site as well. But if you will see your, I can say, uh, exam, you are giving some exam and all, right? When you are going to check your result and all, so your website is not working. So that application is not stable, right? So you can wait, right? So government website is like that. Just I'm giving the one example. I'm not going to target for the government website. Just I am trying to explain. We have all observed already. This all the things. Means applications are not stable. So what happened? You are very upset. Hey, what is happening? This is not working and all. So same thing we can apply in the business perspective, right? So suppose you are going to buy something on the Amazon or that application is not working. What you will do? You cannot wait for that. You can move in the different e-commerce application. So here we have a competition, guys. So they can lose, you know, lakhs and crore if their application is down for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So this is how important are a stability testing. Understood, right? So this is called a stability testing. So it is a type of testing in which one will perform abnormal action or continue on the application in order to check the stability of the application. So before releasing our product, before you know hand over to in production, so we will do all this type of the testing. Okay. Sorry guys. So a stability testing is a type of non-functional testing. So it will come inside this non-functional testing. We can also learn the non-functional testing in the depth in the coming session. Okay, so perform to measure efficiency, ability of the software application to continuously function over a long period of the time. The purpose of a stability testing is checking if software application crashes or fails over the normal use at any point of time by exercising its a full range of the users, full range of the use. A stability testing is also referred to a load or endorsement testing. So we'll explore that. Just I'll give you one pick so you can just give understand more idea. Like you can see. So here we have a something. What I can say in the worst situation, like what happened in your application and all. So we have some performance testing testers are there. So we have some performance CI/CD pipeline where we are going to monitor our performance of the application. I can give you as per the data, Amazon data, Amazon people are like Amazon companies are calculating the data how many users per day they are using the application. So suppose Amazon, like 10 lakh users, they are active. Daily active users is 10 lakh. But some festivals are coming and they are giving some discount and all, right? So might be they are expecting, might be we having the 20 lakh users will come in our website. So in this situation, what happened with your website? If suppose they having the 30 lakh and 40 lakh and 50 lakh users will come in your application, in this situation, how our application will behave like? So this is how you have to test, in your application. Number of the users will increase. So your what is your worst situation? Your application should not be crash. If crash, it will recover. So this all the things we have to take care in a stability testing. So we have a performance testing. So in this performance testing, this all types of the testing will come. So we will explore the performance testing in the coming session. So no worries about that. Okay. So we'll move why to do a stability testing. I have given you a lot of example why to do stability testing, but we can read once. Provide the confident in the stability of your system under the test. We are confident our application should not crash if 50 lakh users will come in our application. Ensure that your system can handle a large program. Okay, so large number of the users will come, our application will work smoothly. Monitor the effectiveness of your system. Test the system stability under the stress. Example of stability testing: online shopping portal. Stability testing will check how the website will behave when high amount of the data enter into peak time, number of hits at a certain specific time, page load, ensure at a time at at the same time behavior of system. Okay, responsiveness of system and many more comes under the stability testing. Hope you understand what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, and these are the basics question and frequently they will ask in the interview as well. So you have to very confident if someone will ask you what type of the testing and all, and you can explain with real-time example as well. So now we have another testing type is dynamic testing. Okay, so what is dynamic testing? Name itself dynamic testing. Okay, so suppose we having the login page. In login page, the some positive scenarios are there. Might be it will accept something alphanumeric number, right? A special character. So here we are entering the dynamic value. The dynamic data we are passing in our application. Like we have a registration form, right? So users are passing some dynamic data in your application. In this situation, what happened, right? So this all the things we have to test as well. So dynamic testing is a kind of software testing technique using which the dynamic behavior of code is analyzed. Okay. So dynamic testing is a software testing method used to test the dynamic behavior of software code. Okay. The main purpose of dynamic testing is to test software behavior with dynamic variable. I have given some example, right? Your registration page, or you are entering your user information, or you are entering your registration form. You are giving the uh, information or entering the payment gateway related stuff, like you are doing the net banking and all. So all the in this scenario we are passing the dynamic value. Understood, right? So here with the dynamic variable or variable which are not constant, that value is not constant, and finding a weak area in software run time environment, the code must be executed in order to test dynamic behavior. See, here we have some technical word. If I will go for some development level, so I'm just going to create a one code where users will login, username and password. So this is the one function I have created. That function I need to test. Who will test? Developer will test. Code base. I'm talking about of the code base. But we are the automation test engineer. We should not think about of the coding part, but we have to think about the functional related what type of the data we are going to pass over there. Hope you are going to understand. As per the coding, as a developer, I have given this, I have just what I can test. Our function should work if user will pass any dynamic value. It should not break. It will break, then our application will throw the error. Understood, right? So this is the unit level of the testing the developer will do. Then we can move in the smoke, then we can move in the functional regression and all. Understood, right? So the code must be executed order to test the dynamic behavior. Okay. Verification is called a static testing. Okay. So verification means we are not doing the look and feel. And the other validation is known as dynamic testing. Okay. Sorry. I will give you the example I have already given the just we can read it once. Suppose we are testing a login page where we have two fields, say username and password. And username is restricted to alphanumeric. When the user enter the username Mohitraj2828, the system accept the same. Whereas when the user enter as a mohitraj2828@gmail.com, then application throw an error message. This result show that the code is acting dynamically based on the user input. Okay, so hope you understand this type of the testing. So we can stop here only. Okay, so if you are new in the channel, okay, so you can go in my channel. My channel name is Ingenious TechHub. Go to my channel, Ingenious TechHub. You will get, if you are a very beginner, if you want to start your career in testing profile, you can start to learn testing. Go to the playlist. You can see you will get many playlists here. So we have a, you can bookmark this playlist. So I have uploaded till 10 video. This is the 11th one. So I will so you can just bookmark that and you can start to watch this all the video. You will get many thing here. Just you can go and explore the this playlist. You will get some real-time interview question and answer. You will get some Java Selenium video as well. Okay, guys. Okay. Many of them you guys are struggling to learn automation testing. If you are a manual tester, you already working in the manual profile, you are going to brush up your skill if you want to learn. Okay, so this is my online self-learning portal, guys. So if you are looking to become expert in Java, Selenium, and automation profile, or your friend is looking to learn this, so you can just go through this. You will get this link in the description. This is the content of what we have done. Okay, so side by side, you can guys learn your automation as well. So in the automation, you will get a beautiful course. I created that so anyone can learn and become the master of this automation. I have started from very zero basics. So what is the class keyword, how to create a file, Java file, and how the code will execute. You will get some pre-video as well. This is the demo video you can watch here. If you will feel this is your profitable for you, and I teach Java in the depth. So that is the main thing. The people are struggling to learn programming, but this course will help you to become basics to advance. These are the pre-video you can see here. You can watch and you can see if it is a profitable for you. You can enroll this. We having the now 50% discount. Now we have a 50% discount. If this will expire, if you are still looking for that, you can reach out to me. I will create a coupon for you guys. Okay. So again, thank you so much for watching this video and thanks for your support, guys. So please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. Okay. Share with your friend as well. And thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.